everyone, in today's video we're going to be vlogging on the Lumix S5ii so we can see what it looks like in different locations, different lighting scenarios, and doing different things with this camera. So at the moment I have the Lumix 18mm f1.8 and I am holding this camera on a Joby. So something to keep in mind while you're watching today's video is that I'm filming this intro a few days after I filmed the whole video because I got a firmware update that fixes the stabilization when it comes to using wide angle lenses such as this one, which is an 18mm lens. So what you're seeing right now, and I'm just going to walk around a little bit so you can see what that looks like, is the final firmware update that I got for this camera with image stabilization. So this is what it looks like, and let's jump back into the past to watch the rest of the vlog. So I'm going to take you out on a day with me. Today we're going to be filming a review video for a drone, and I thought it would be a fun day to take you out on because for these drone videos, I usually go to heaps of different cool locations. So I think it'll be really interesting for this video to see all like the different lighting scenarios and locations that we're going to. So for today's vlog, I'm filming on the Lumix S5ii. I've got all my own manual settings, but I am riding auto white balance just to see how it goes. I'm also filming in Vlog. Please make sure to check out my full review of the Lumix S5ii. I'll leave it linked in the description. I also have the kit lens with me, the 20 to 60mm f3.5 to 5.6, because I thought it would be interesting to show you that as well. So let's go. We are in Kiama right now, so we're going to start filming at our first location. How's it going?
Good. Are you good?
I'm good.
You're good.
I am gonna cry because I felt like there was something on my ankle, and then I was like trying to shake it off on my foot because we were like standing in the grass, and then I looked down and I was like, what's that black thing dangling out of the bottom of my jeans on my ankle there? And I looked closer. It was a leech! Oh my god! And I screamed so loud. Luckily there was no one else here, but I'm pretty sure I made Dan deaf because that made me panic. And I had to find a leaf and like pull it off my ankle. And then we looked at Dan and he had a leech. I think you had two, Dan. Oh my god. Anyway, I have the Mini 3s down there. The Mini 3s down there on the floor. I have the Mini 3 Pro and the Mavic 3 Classic in the car because we're going to get a comparison shot now, so that's what we're up to. And now we're just packing up the car because we are going to get lunch. So the first half of our filming is done, and then after lunch we're going to film some more. So I decided to get some ice cream after lunch as well. There was like some really interesting gelato flavors there. I got the top flavor is shortbread and fig, and the bottom flavor was cinnamon with strawberry and rose jam, which I haven't tasted yet, but the shortbread and fig one is so yummy.
Sorbet, lemon, passion fruit, as always.
Yum. The colors are really nice here. Be interesting to see the skin tones because it is quite green. So I'm just trying to vlog at as many different situations as possible. The ice cream was really nice. The shortbread and fig was delicious. The strawberry cinnamon one, I couldn't really taste anything. But the first flavor, like, give it like a 8 out of 10. We're gonna head over to our second location to continue filming our video. It is a little bit windy. Oh, the sun just went behind a cloud. I was gonna be like, here we have some harsh light to see what it looks like.
Hey.
I'm scared the blowhole is gonna take out my drone. Oh, the flies, so annoying. Also, when I fly in the drone, my hair has to be up out of my face. Otherwise I can't like see anything. Got a cool, like, I don't know what it's called, like a peninsula? So we get to see, I'm just gonna take my hair down, I look crazy. We get to see what this camera looks like in harsh, bright sunlight. It's like 1 p.m. on a super blue cloudy day, and it's a little bit windy too, but I'm walking down towards the water because I'm going to take a couple of film photos. I currently have a 35mm point and shoot half frame camera, so I've got like 72 images 70 something images that I need to take on this roll, so I need to get a move on or I'm never going to be able to develop it. I'm not going to get too close to the edge to be safe. That's the background. Hopefully it's exposing correctly. I actually can't really see that much, but this is what we're looking at here. And this is the half frame camera that I'm using. I'm going to take a photo of the water just here. The only thing I don't like about cameras like this is that you do have to manually wind it, which is a little bit annoying. All right, and I'm not winding the last one so I don't accidentally take a blank picture in my bag. So what do we think of this little bag? I bought this recently. I don't really know if it suits me, but I feel like I've been traveling a little bit recently. We just got back from Japan a few days ago. And while I was there, I was like, it would be so convenient if I had just like a little bag on my side that I can quickly pull behind me and in front of me. Let me know if you have something like this or any kind of suggestions in the comments as to what I can use when I'm traveling, just for those like little extra items that I need easy access to.
What sort of locations do you look for when you're looking for a drone takeoff or landing pad?
It just needs to be flat, but I do love that when I've got access to it from the car, that is essential.
Don't get lost since you went so far away.
Oh, so tired now. Yeah, we found like this really cool rock formation off the side of a cliff, which looks amazing. So I can't wait to film this because I want to see what it looks like from down there. I have learnt my lesson. Now I'm putting on my boots. This is why I always wear boots. Every time you see me doing a photo shoot or walking on grass. Oh, here we go again. I can't see anything. But I think we're in our last location for the day right now. We've got like this Australian looking dry field with like these dead trees and the cool mountains in the background. So we are just chilling on the side of the road. Dan's there on his phone. All right, what film do I have in here?
You don't know.
It's a surprise.
You should probably stick the label of the film on the back of the camera.
Yeah, I should, especially because it's half frame. It takes so long to like finish the film off that by the time I'm even halfway through the roll, I don't know what's in there anymore. There's some cool like hay bales here and a nice tree on the side of the road, so I'm gonna take a shot. I think let's pop on the kit lens so we can see what that looks like, and I'll take some pictures of you, Dan.
Okay.
Okay, need to be in the shade. All right, so I've switched you over to the kit lens and we're at 20 millimeters right now. I also popped in a fresh battery because I used a whole battery. It was on like 1 bar, but I like to switch it up before it dies so it doesn't die in the middle of getting a shot. So I'm gonna take my photo of you that way so you've got like the trees in the background. So I'm gonna frame Dan in between like these 2 trees over here. By the way, I was thinking of making like dedicated videos with each of the film cameras that I have, so let me know if that's something you want to see. I'll probably work on that in the new year. Oh wait, it is the new year by the time I'm allowed to talk about this camera. Oh my god, look at my hair! That's what happens when it's windy. But I thought I'd vlog with the kit lens in the car as well since I did that with the 18. But yeah, we're gonna go for dinner now. We just made it. We're gonna have some Mexican. Yay. Honestly, I kind of think they look really similar. The wind's always getting pushed into my face. That's so nice. View is so pretty. We've come back into Kiama because we ended up in like Jamboree at some point filming our video today. Dinner was so yummy. I loved it. It's getting late. It's already 8 p.m. and it's still not dark enough for low light footage, but I think we're gonna probably stop on the side of the road somewhere once it's dark and we're gonna try and vlog at night. We've pulled over on the side of the road because it is getting dark. It's like currently blue hour, but here it's like quite a dense forest, so I can bump on my eyes so we can see what this looks like and see how well it focuses in this low light as well. So right now I'm ISO 4000, this is ISO 5000 and 6400, which I feel like, yeah, probably there is exposed really nicely. So I'm gonna walk around Dan's just there. And I'm gonna walk a little bit and we'll see how stable it is and if it keeps focus on me. Even as I turn around and you can't see my face anymore. This is cool. I'm just paranoid. I don't want to be on like that road because I'm scared there's going to be more leeches. I literally cannot deal with that again today. So this is ISO 6400 and now we're going to go up to 8000 and this is what 10,000 looks like. Dan just took a picture of me on the film camera. So this is 10,000 right here. I'll just move it like away and close to me and we'll see how it focuses. Alright, and then I'm going to try filming the landscape and see how it focuses on me. It's pretty much instant. Let's do that again. Nice. Let's bump up the ISO a few more times just to see what it looks like before we wrap up this video. So this is 10,000, 12,800, 16,000, 20,000, 25,600,
And a car is in there.
32,000.
Jump up.
Leech territory! No! 16. What? Car.
And something's walking in the bushes.
What?
I can hear it.
Okay, quick! Just move out of the way! Say goodbye!
Probably just a deer.
I don't want to find out. Okay, I'm going to film this outro at 16,000. I'm going to talk really quickly because there's something walking in the bushes and I'm scared! Okay, back to normal. Okay, I really hope you found today's video helpful, seeing what it's like to vlog on the Lumix S5 Mark II. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Let me know if you enjoyed today's video. And I think it would be interesting, but let me know if you want to see a vlogging comparison between the Lumix S5 II and the Sony a7 IV, because I feel like they could really go head to head. But as always, thank you so much for watching. I make new videos every single week, so I'll see you all next time. I'm gonna run in the car because I can still hear that thing walking in the bushes.